Welcome back, Health and Beauty Vibes. Today, we've got something incredibly beneficial for you, especially if you've been feeling a bit low on energy lately. We're talking about boosting your hemoglobin levels naturally, and trust me, this simple remedy is going to make a world of difference in just 14 days. But before we dive into the recipe, let's understand why hemoglobin is so important. Hemoglobin is a protein in your red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout your body. Low hemoglobin levels can lead to fatigue, weakness, and even more serious health issues. So how do we naturally increase our hemoglobin levels? The answer lies in this simple yet powerful drink. Here's what you'll need. Beetroot, packed with iron, folate, and antioxidants. Spinach, another iron-rich green that's essential for hemoglobin production. Apple, adds a touch of sweetness and extra vitamins. Carrot, high in vitamin A, which supports iron absorption. Lemon, rich in vitamin C, which helps your body absorb iron more efficiently. Blend these ingredients together with some water until you get a smooth consistency, and there you have it. Your hemoglobin boosting elixir is ready to go. Now, here's the challenge. Drink 1 cup of this miraculous concoction every day for the next 14 days and watch your energy levels soar. Keep track of your progress on a calendar, and I guarantee you'll start feeling the difference in no time. Cheers to your health and vitality. Remember, taking care of your body doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes the most powerful remedies are found in the simplest of ingredients. So here's to taking that first step towards a healthier, happier you. Drink up and thrive, and